Departure Brickyard 5614 is with you passing 2 for 5,000.
Brickyard 5614, Milwaukee departure, good morning, radar contact, proceed direct squib, climb and maintain 13,000.
Squib 13,000, Brickyard 5614. Alright, departure Brickyard 5614, we need immediate return right now.
Brickyard 5614, roger, enter left traffic, runway 19 or right.
Traffic 19 right.
Brickyard 5614, I see you making a right turn, you can continue right turn.
We're going to continue right turn, just give us the airfield if you could.
Okay, Brickyard 5614, just proceed direct to field.
Direct to field, Brickyard 5619.
Brickyard 5614, and there is regional jet traffic just departed Milwaukee Metro 5 miles off the right side. We're going to try and turn him northwestbound as soon as we can. He's leaving 3,000.
Copy. Sky with 3261, 3,000, climbing 5,000, heading 210.
3261, Milwaukee departure radar contact, turn right, heading 320 immediately.
320, Sky with 3261.
3261, there's E175 traffic about 4 miles off the left side. He's at 3,300, returning to the field with an emergency.
You're looking, Sky with 3261.
Brickyard 5614, if you have time, I need souls on board, fuel remaining, and nature of emergency.
Bye.
Mary 8579, if you're with me, just stop your climb at 3,000.
Climb 3,000, Iron 8579, head 270.
And Sky with 3261, thanks for your help there, flighting 270. I'll get you to Honka soon.
No problem, 270 on the heading, Sky with 3261.
Mary 8579, turn 20 degrees right.
Right, Iron 8579.
Mary 8579, climb maintain 4,000.
Maintain 4,000, Iron 8579. Departure Southwest 2223, we still with you?
2223, sorry, Chicago Center, 123.82.
382, thanks.
Air 5614, contact tower 124.57 when you're ready for it.
2457, Brickyard 5619.
Niner 8645 launch tower, hold short runway 25 left there, Tango. It's going to be a slight delay for emergency aircraft inbound. Brickyard 5614 launch tower.
5614, yeah, we're up with you. We're working issue. We have no instruments on board at all. We're going for 19. 19 right.
Brickyard 5614, roger, and then turns and maneuvering will be at your own discretion. Wind is 200 at 11.
Alright, 20, thanks.
And then Brickyard 5614, when you get the chance, fuel on board and passengers.
Stand by.
Okay, we have 69 passengers and fuel on board is 11.2.
Roger. Brickyard 5614, MVA to your left there is 2,800, so you're going to make a turn, continue a right turn over the lake.
Right turn over the lake, copy.
Brickyard 5614, if you need to make a left turn, just start a gradual climb. Again, the minimum vectoring altitude is 2,800.
Copy.
And tower, I'm going to head this way for a little bit, and then I'll make a left turn back into the field. And tower, Brickyard 5678.
678, go ahead.
Yeah, 5614. I'm going to just head out this way a little bit, then make a left back turn into the field, if that's okay with you.
Brickyard 5614, yeah, you make the left turn to join final for runway 19 right.
Roger.
Alright, tower, Brickyard 5614, we're turning in now.
Brickyard 5614, roger, and then do you have the field in sight?
We're still in the turn, but we will have it in sight momentarily.
Roger, Brickyard 5614, runway 19 right, cleared to land, wind is 200 at 10.
Clear to land, 19 right.